Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your TCL is online and you have access to your Google account. This saves time during sign-in. Use the remote, press Home, then go straight to Apps or the Play Store to find the Google app or a compatible browser. Once done, select Install or Open. If prompted, accept permissions so the app can access network and storage. This first step gets you into Google quickly so you can search, stream, or sign in without interruptions. Now sign into Google, enter your email and password using the TV keyboard, or use the device pairing code method, which is faster and less error-prone. Make sure two-step verification is ready if you use it. Follow prompts on your phone. Once signed in, set language and safe search to suit household needs, and choose Google as the default search app if prompted. Finally, pin the app to home so future access is one click. This reduces. With Google ready, you can search using voice on the remote, type with the on-screen keyboard, or cast from your phone for long queries. Customize search results with filters, manage app updates in settings, and clear cache if performance lags. If things go wrong, reboot the TV first and verify Wi-Fi strength. Intermittent networks cause the majority of issues. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app and re-sign in. That typically resolves corrupted data or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.